The Air Jordan 4 Tour Yellow is officially making a comeback in fall 2026, retailing for $220. First launched in May 2006 as part of the Lifestyle (LS) collection, the sneaker stood out by introducing fresh designs that catered to younger Jordan fans beyond MJ's playing days. Its signature look combines an all-white leather upper with a yellow midsole accented by black speckling, paired with black outsoles and matching wing eyelets. What made it especially memorable was the removable Jumpman tongue patch, revealing the hidden Rare Air branding, an element also seen in the iconic undefeated Jordan 4 and the recent Jordan 4 Rare Air. Simple yet distinct, this pair remains one of the most nostalgic mid-2000s Jordans. Sneaker enthusiasts and collectors alike can look forward to adding this sought-after design back to their rotation in 2026.